Pen spinners, you might have seen them. Those cool kids usually in the back of the classroom doing something cool with a pen. People might think it's a cool skill to impress girls with, and that might be true to some degree, but it's actually an insanely hard skill that takes hundreds of hours grinding and dropping your pen, just to learn only a handful of tricks. If that sounds cool, then maybe you're a natural born pen spinner. If not, then I'll be honest, maybe pen spinning isn't for you. It might take you a few minutes to learn your first trick, but more than likely it will take you more than a few days. Once you push through the initial suck of your first tricks, however, you'll start to look for either harder tricks to learn, or you'll just start learning linkages. You'll then continue this cycle for a while until you've learned a decent number of tricks and linkages. Now you're ready to make your first combo. Oh my goodness, an actual combo, you say? How is this possible? Don't worry, it might seem like a lot harder than it looks, but once you do make it, you'll actually be considered a pen spinner. And once you've made multiple combos, you can probably do freestyles. Now you're really getting somewhere. Once your freestyles look good, there's probably no reason at all to go any further if you're a normal person. Why is this? Sad to say, but pen spinning at a high level, even intermediate level, is not widely impressive to most people. In fact, the most impressive looking things are actually the tricks and links you know now. To learn anything else would be a waste of time because they are so ridiculously hard for something that looks kind of goofy. Getting actually good at spinning pens is almost like subtracting from your aura in the real world. No one cares if you can do an interrupted curled palm mirrored power pass reverse, but all the girls will look at you if you spam double charge as fast as humanly possible until your pen flies across the room into another dimension, and then you have to ask the teacher for a pen because no one will want to lend you theirs. If you don't care about this and actually want to compete to be the best pen spinner possible, then hey, I'm Tilt, and I'll turn you into the best pen spinner possible. As of now, pen spinning mainly lives on Discord, and Spindy's is probably the most active Discord server. If you want to join countless other pen spinners improving, join with the first link in the description. It's 100% free. Thanks for watching. See you next time.